The 2018 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, CD player, passenger airbag, MP3 player, security system, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.